Hey there, my name is Devin from Alfatron Electronics. Welcome to our booth at InfoComm 2026. Today we will be showcasing the VB100 or the VB100. The VB100 is an all-in-one PTZ video bar, so camera, mic, speaker, all built into one device with a 5x ePTZ capabilities. It features auto framing as well as auto tiling. It's got AI voice tracking as well. Going down to the microphone systems, we've got a mic 100, which is a one mic system with a CAT connection between the video bar and the microphone. Also, you have a mic 100W, which is a 4 wireless mic system with a wireless charging cradle. With these guys, you get between a 6 and 8 hour battery life. And that's it. For more information, visit our website at alfatronelectronics.com.